Hi, this is Pitambaran Achyutan Pisharadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. So let us see the daily chart of USD INR. The same yesterday's the supports and resistance are at the same level, and you can see here that the stock has taken the resistance at the exact point. You can see that the resistance was at 79.89 and the high made today is 79.90 and made a low of 79.6350 before closing at 79.7725. So you can see here that multiple times the stock is trying to go above this resistance, but it fails to close above that level, and at the end of the day it comes down. Similarly, if you take the case of Nifty, here again yesterday as we discussed, the stock is moving between the support and the resistance. Now it is hardly 140 points above below the resistance, and it has moved approximately 900 points away from the support. So if it closes above 17,957 on any day, then it will go up to 18,173 and 177, which are the two resistance at the top. So overall, you can see that the support is at 16,938 and 16,549, and the resistance are at 17,957, 18,173, 18,177, and 18,648. Now, in Bank Nifty yesterday, as we suggested, whenever there is a fall, it's a good time to buy. You can see this very clearly that it bounced back from the support. So till this level is breached, that is 40336, you can always try to go long. Now if the market has to come down, it has to come down 1100 points for it to close below this level. This indicates that at least for 2 or 3 days, the market will remain above this level. If this level is breached, then only you can expect 39,081. Till that time, if it takes a support at this level, then it will always try to bounce back from this level. Now, if you look at the grid levels in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, here the market opened in between this red line and this blue line, which is 17,225 and 17,825. Then it moved to 825. It would have sold here. A stop loss would have been hit here. You would have gone long, and at the end of 3 o'clock, you would have made a small loss. That is, it would have closed at 17,848. So you can see that at 3 o'clock we would have closed the position and the stop loss had hit at say 3.5. So since we are closing the position at 3 o'clock, we would have exited with small loss. Now if you take the case of Bank Nifty also had a very big opening candle, and if you see that if we are traded here, then you did not get any trade. Neither you got a profit nor you made a loss, because after this candle it never touched these candles. That is the reason why we can say that today we had no trade in Bank Nifty. Here the sell would have been initiated when it touched the levels of 677, and then it came down to say the close of the close was 41,508.45. So you had only one sell in at when the market touched this level, and then it came down and settled here. So if you put this data in the Excel, sorry, here I have made a small mistake while updating. It is 17,848, and here it is sell at and not buy at. It was at 41,675 and it closed at 41,608. Here the formula is wrong, selling minus buying. So we would have got 166 points, and here the loss is less because we have sold at bought at, you would have made a loss of 3,850 and a gain of 4164, giving us a net profit of 313. The figure is very small, but we never ended in the red. So we can be comfortable that whenever the market is in a range bound area, your number of trades will be less and you would get decent profit if there is a huge volatility. Since the volatility was less today, we did not get much trades and we ended up the day with a small profit. It's a very negligible profit, but anyhow, we are not in the red. Here, now we have to be very careful since these 2 days the market is in this condition. We are expecting if the Nifty breaches this level, 957 level, then it can move up to 180, 175 levels. So be careful whenever Nifty closes above this level, you can take a trade to get approximately 150 to 175 points. I hope you have clearly understood how we are taking the trades in the grid lines and making decent profits. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you feel that the content is good, you can share it with your friends and relatives, and you can help fellow traders trade in a very peaceful and simple way. Thank you for watching.